Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open Revolut business account. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search for Revolut business account. Click on that and you need to open the first website. Here you can see join now, accept all cookies. Click on join now. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, so here you can see different options. You want to create a corporate account, create a freelancer account, join a company. So I want to create a corporate account. Click here. You simply need to select your country. So once you select it, click on continue. And if you want, you can change your country as well. So I'm going to add United States. Okay, click on continue. Here you need to add your email address. Once you add, you will receive a verification code on your email, and then you go on to the next page where you need to add your company details, and in few days your account will be created. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.